People don't get promoted for doing their jobs really well. They get promoted by demonstrating their potential to do more. By Tara J. Frank.
To our Acting Provincial Director, Police Colonel Dwight D. Monato, sir, members of the Command Group, Police Commissioned Officers present, Police Non-Commissioned Officers, and non-uniformed personnel in attendance, promoted personnel, guests, and visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to each and everyone, and welcome to Camp Major Lucas Naranjo, the home of Misamis Occidental Police Provincial Office. Today, we are gathered for a truly momentous occasion, the oath-taking, running, and pinning of rank ceremony of the newly promoted personnel of this provincial office for calendar year 2023, second level uniform personnel regular promotion, a ceremony that signifies dedication, achievement, and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. We come together to witness the time-honored tradition, a celebration that embodies merit, commitment, and the core values of our organization.
The insignias adorning the uniforms of our members hold more than mere symbolism. They represent responsibility, leadership, and trust. Each stripe, each badge signifies a journey marked by perseverance, sacrifice, and unwavering loyalty to our noble cause. As we prepare to witness the elevation of individuals within our ranks, let us pause to reflect on the profound significance of this moment. It stands as a testament to the dedication and hard work of those who stand before us, ready to shoulder greater responsibilities and led by example.
To the newly promoted personnel about to embark on this new chapter of their journey, remember that with great rank comes even greater responsibility. May you wear your insignias with pride, and may you continue to uphold the values that define our esteemed organization. Now, as we stand on the brink of the oath-taking, donning, and pinning of ranks ceremony, let us unite in support and admiration for those who have earned this prestigious honor. Their dedication serves as an inspiration to us all and sets a shining example for future generations to follow. So let us embark on this journey of celebration, recognition, and renewal together. Let us honor the past, celebrate the present, and embrace the future as we witness the oath-taking, donning, and pinning of ranks ceremony. May this ceremony serve as a memorable testament to the excellence that defines us all.
For the invocation, to be led by PEMS Sami Saluta Salico.
Let us bow our head and put ourselves in the holy presence of our Lord. Our Almighty and ever-loving God, source of all graces and blessings, thank you for giving us an opportunity to serve you and our fellow men. With
Requesting all the families to please come closer.
Find your height. Focus dito ka, ma'am. Focus dito, ma'am. sir, kayo na.
Medyo na sa tawa.
We are live. Yes sir, live ta karon sir.
Picture sa kanan.
Pwede ka mag-speech.
Tada! Tada, tada, tada!
So congratulations sa atong mga newly promoted ma'am and sirs. Dili lang mo tanaw, live ta diri. Ah, sure, sure. Kalo without kalo ni sir. Sige. Ano ni ma'am na wala na.
Ay, wala.
Okay, ready, face to the camera, ready, 1, 2, 3. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Kato magtaod ka sa rank, ma'am. Ako mag-picture ko. Kato magtaod sa rank. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3. Sige, ready, 1, 2, 3. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ama, dito ta magpe-picture pa welcome. Ha? Ato ta nag-welcome ta magpe-picture. Kayo.
Live din na. Live. Hi ma'am. Hi sa camera. Live ta. Live.
Skip it, no?
Picture mo, ma'am? Aba. Oh, pwede kayo. Okay.
Nay, picture rin, nanay.
Ano ta po dia?
Ay, kami sa mami na.
Dili gud siya. Ha? Picture mo, Sergeant. Volunteer ko, volunteer. Kay live po ni dire.
Yes,
Ayaw po
and
sige, live ba?
visitors, you may now go back to your designated areas. Thank you.
Ayun, dili mo dapat kaya makita ko. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Kana magtaod ka sa rank. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3.
All newly promoted personnel, please go back to your line.
Yes, sir. Oh, ay. Brother. Ay, balik na block, oh.
Layo.
Ay, oh, sana. Live din ma'am, live. Hi.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, ma'am. Kamoy na. Na-live na tiga kayo na.
Hi, nag-ito.
All newly promoted PNP personnel, sir ma'am, please, balik na ta sa atong designated line. After the program na lang ta mag-photo op, sir ma'am.
Sir.
At this juncture, let us all hear a message from the most senior police non-commissioned officer promoted, Pems Henritu Aban Cañete, to give his acceptance speech.